students of class 11. Welcome to you in my new lecture. Today we will discuss a few terms of unit 2. The first is wavelength. The distance between the two neighboring crest and trough of a wave is called wavelength. Frequency. The number of waves which pass through a particular point in 1 second. It is represented by Greek letter nu. Its unit is cycle per second, CPS or hertz. Velocity. The distance traveled by a wave in 1 second is called velocity. It is denoted by c. C is equal to mu into lambda, or lambda is equal to c by, or mu is equal to c by lambda. The velocity of all electromagnetic radiation in space or in vacuum is same and is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second or 3 into 10 to the power 10 cm per second. Wave number. It is the reverse of amplitude. The number of wavelength per unit length. It is equal to inverse of wavelength mu bar. It is represented by mu bar. Mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Amplitude. It is the height of a crest or depth of a trough of a wave determines the intensity of radiation. ये रेडिएशन की तीव्रता को भी दर्शाता है. Electromagnetic spectrum. Arrangement of all the electromagnetic radiations in the increasing order of their wavelength or decreasing order of their frequency is called electromagnetic spectrum. Limitation of wave theory of radiation. It fails to explain the phenomenon of photoelectric effect and black body radiation. The next term is black body radiation. An ideal black body is perfect absorber and perfect emitter of radiation. When such a body is heated, it becomes red hot, that is, emits red color light. As the temperature is further increased, the color of radiation emitted changes from red to yellow, yellow to white, and finally to purple as the temperature will becomes very high. Photoelectric effect. The phenomenon of ejection of electron from the surface of a metal when light of suitable frequency strikes it is known as photoelectric effect, and the electrons thus ejected is called photoelectrons. जब रिक्वायर्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी की लाइट फोटोइलेक्ट्रिक सेल पर पड़ता है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन उससे निकलता है. इसी को फोटोइलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट कहते हैं. थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी. द मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी बिलो विच इजेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नॉट टेक प्लेस इज नोन एज थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी. म्यू जीरो वह न्यूनतम आवृत्ति फ्रीक्वेंसी जिससे कम के इलेक्ट्रॉन के स्ट्राइक करने पर इलेक्ट्रॉन का जिससे कम के स्ट्राइक पर वो लाइट पड़ने पर इजेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं हो, वो थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी कहलाता है. वर्क फंक्शन. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन मेटल आर हेल्ड टुगेदर बाय सम अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स. टू ओवरकम दीज फोर्स certain minimum amount of energy is required, which is characteristic of the metal. This is called photoelectric work function or simply work function. Planck's equation, Planck's quantum theory. Radiant energy is emitted or absorbed not continuously but discontinuously in the form of small packets of energy called quanta. The amount of energy associated with a quantum of radiation is proportional to the frequency of radiation. That is, amount of energy E is directly proportional to mu, or E is equal to h mu, where h is Planck's constant. Dual nature of radiation. According to Planck's quantum theory, that is wave nature of matter, the energy of photon is given by E is equal to h into mu. According to Einstein's equation, that is particle nature of matter, energy is equal to m into c square. When we combine these two energy relation, h mu is equal to mc square, that is lambda is equal to h by mc equation. This equation, that is lambda is equal to h by mc, is called de Broglie wave equation, that is which indicates the wave particle duality of matter. Thanks to all of you.